Here we have our 2017 Range Rover Autobiography. This car's finished in the Carpathian Grey, which is a premium metallic. You do get the 22-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels. These are the Style 504. You do also get the electrically deployable side steps, which I'll demonstrate later. If we move to the side of the car, you do get the rear privacy glass as well. So a little bit about this car: it is one former keeper and does come with a full service history, with the majority of them being done at Land Rover. So if we go inside now, so as we move into the inside, this is the full ivory semi-aniline leather. Still in really good condition, considering this car has covered 83,000 miles. You do of course get the fully electric functions with the memory for the front seats. They are also heated and ventilated with a massage function. Sound system throughout this car is the 825 watt Meridian sound system, which is standard on the Autobiography. Another lovely feature on this car, you do get the sliding panoramic sunroof and the ivory Alston headlining. If we move to the steering wheel, this is the leather and the wood steering wheel. It is of course heated, and you do get your adaptive cruise control functions and your paddle shifts on there as well. As this is the facelift, you do get the interactive driver's display, which shows the map. You do have the lovely grand black lacquer veneer throughout the whole car. You do also get your drinks cooler in this compartment as well. Now, as this is the facelift, you do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this car does also come with the surround view cameras, with it being an Autobiography. So if we move into the rear, as you can see, there's the side steps fully deployed. If we move into the rear, obviously this car does come with keyless entry and the soft close door function. Which is obviously standard on the Autobiography. So again, your Meridian sound system throughout. You do also get some lumbar support and electric back adjustment in the rear. As you can see here, this car is fitted with the rear seat entertainment. As you can see, you really do benefit from the panoramic roof in the rear. So your controls in here, you do get heated and ventilated rear seats with the 4-zone climate control. Another feature as well that you get throughout the whole car is you do get the winged headrests, which are obviously adjustable. Just a lovely car in still really good condition. So there you have it, our 2017 Range Rover Autobiography. For any information on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.